For a closer look at international markets, as well as the global stock update, we turn to the deal's Jonathan Browdy in our London newsroom for the latest on European markets and more. Jonathan.
Yeah, good morning, John. European markets were up slightly this morning, not too much. There's still a lot of uncertainty over the US taper, the US markets. Still some questions over what that really meant when the US economy grew by 3.6% last quarter, but inventory of consumer goods was still very high. In London, it was largely resources stocks that went up. A big faller was Domino's Pizza. This is the UK, Irish and German franchise, which has announced this morning that it's losing its CEO, Lance Batchelor, to an unnamed private equity company, so they're going to have to look for a new CEO. In Paris, L'Oreal, the big cosmetics and consumer goods company, is up this morning on speculation that Nestle, the Swiss food company, is about to sell a near 30% stake, or just speculation, but that could also leave L'Oreal open to a bid. In Asia, the Nikkei closed up slightly, 0.81% at 15,299. That's on a weaker yen, which can boost exports. Hong Kong, the Hang Seng was up a little bit, 0.13 at 23,743.1. And in Australia, the Sydney index was up slightly. Was down slightly as well because of the ongoing troubles of their national airline Qantas, which got a downgrade this morning from S&P to junk status. That's all from me in London. John, over to you in New York.
Thank you very much. That was Jonathan Browdy, the deal in London.